So I'm just gonna put in a couple of these teeth and then I'm gonna take it outside and see if this works. Yeah. Okay, let's take it out and see if this works. So the teeth over here is a little close to the tires, but it will be fine. They are never gonna touch each other, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this. So let's get it back in on the table and weld everything up. Then I'm ready to fully test it. See if I can get some of all this grass I have between the stones. See if I can remove it. So let's get started. Okay, let's do some welding. Yeah. So everything is welded now. Let's put the loader on. Let's put it back on the loader and put the teeth in. So everything is put together. Let's go and make a test run and see how it holds up. So the sun is finally out, so it's a perfect day to test this. So I think we're gonna start with this piece. So it's working just fine. All the stones are being loosened up, and the grass is getting pulled out. So I think maybe 2,000 more times back and forth here, and it will be perfect again. No grass, only stones. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start with the first 500. So let's go. I've just done a test run and it's working pretty good. But I think because this part is it's not as strong in out here, so I think I'm gonna put a piece of tube up here and down here somewhere in both sides, so this part doesn't move. So let's find the last pieces of tube and put on, and then we can finish off this project. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this here, then one more tube from the middle and up here. Okay, so I just make these tubes and put them on like this. So now it's much stronger. It's not this part out here is not bending anymore. I'm just gonna weld this in. That's not going anywhere now. Perfect. Okay, so I think this is done for now. Now I'm gonna go rake the driveway and yo. So I've been test running this rake for the last couple of days, and so far it's doing great. But I have one small problem, and that's when I put the loader on this piece of flat bar, or when I try to grab this piece, this shaft is going under here. So I'm gonna put this triangle in here, so when the loader comes it will hit here and I can slide it up and into the right place. And I'm also gonna make a small triangle down here in this corner. This loader has a quick attachment, so there's a hydraulic cylinder down here that I can control, that goes in and out from the shaft. So this goes in and out to lock everything in place. And if this cylinder is going in a little bit offset from this hole, it will probably bend this out in both sides. So to make this part a little bit stronger, I'm going to put a triangle in here. So let's fix this, and we can finish off this project. Maybe a little bit of paint if I can find something. Now I'm gonna wet this on here. Just gonna turn this on. Okay, let's try again. And the small one is gonna go here. So I got some black paint, and now this is gonna last forever, or else I'm gonna weld some more reinforcement on it. So thank you for watching. See you.